Are you looking for the best massage guns? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best massage guns on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Theragun Elite. While the Theragun Elite may not have every single bell and whistle possible, it still proved to be one of the highest performing handheld massagers we tested and is built with everything most users will ever need to achieve impressive results. The Elite ensures users can unlock even the most stubborn knots with its deep percussive power, combining a 0.63-inch amplitude with a top percussion per minute, ppm, speed of 2,400 and a stall force of 25 pounds. Its strong motor can be set to 5 varying speeds across 5 different massage head attachments to customize your muscle recovery experience. The patented Theragun triangle ergonomic handle, also seen on the premium Theragun Pro Plus G6 model and more basic Theragun Prime version, allows you to hold the 2.25-pound device comfortably, no matter which part of the body you are working on, all without straining the operating arm, wrist, or hand. It is also Bluetooth compatible, meaning you can pair it with an app to run through various preset massage or warm-up routines. The app even offers immediate feedback on the pressure of the massage head, letting you know whether to push harder or gentler into the body. Number 2. Theragun Mini. The Theragun Mini offers an impressive amount of power for such a portable and lightweight device, gifting excellent in-hand comfort at a more affordable price when compared to others from the same maker. At first glance, the Mini looked deceptively puny, but I was blown away during my first test massage. This little massager easily outperforms many options twice its size, our lead tester Zach Lovell said. Its powerful percussion is more than that of many full-sized models. With a combination of 0.47 inches, 12 millimeters, in amplitude and a top percussions per minute measurement of 2,450, this little massager offered relief across many areas of the body with ease. Similarly, testers found its stall force of 18 pounds was plenty for digging deep when needed. As with other Therabody options in our lineup, the Mini is also quick to connect by Bluetooth to the manufacturer's app, which offers many follow-along massage routines and even provides immediate feedback on how hard you're pushing the device into your body. If you consider that the Mini can be carried for half the weight of many full-sized options and is nearly just as powerful, it makes sense that it could work as both a primary massager and a travel tool, furthering its excellent value. Number 3. Theragun Pro Plus G6. The Theragun Pro Plus G6 is among the most feature-rich and high-performing massage guns available today and is our top recommendation for anyone with the budget to buy the best of the best. Our testers absolutely love the massage quality of the Pro Plus G6, offering several well-made attachments, including one that emits heat and the option to pick up one for cold treatments, sold separately. The motor was powerful and smooth, with a measured stall force of 37 pounds and a top percussion per minute score of 2,700, which allowed us to get deeper when needed. The built-in LED screen is the best we've ever seen in this type of product, which includes the basics like percussion speed but also offers routines for various massage programs. The carrying case is great, offering a divider to keep every attachment organized in a pocket for the device itself. And, similar to all Therabody options in this lineup, the Pro Plus G6 is easily Bluetooth to the manufacturer's app, which is filled with routines for massaging many areas of the body and even provides feedback for how much pressure you are putting on the massager as you press into yourself. The only other full-size model that comes close in quality is the Theragun Elite, which is less expensive and lighter than the Pro Plus G6, even if it lacks the same notably smooth massage performance and an included heat attachment. Number 4. Hyperice Hypervolt 2 Pro. The Hypervolt 2 Pro offers an impressive amount of power in a classic hammer design. This traditional handheld design has proven a favorite style among athletes and trainers who've integrated handheld massagers into their routines to boost athletic performance and enhance recovery. The Hypervolt 2 Pro lives up to all expectations for such models, a professional-grade, 5-speed, mid-amplitude percussion device that offers impressive strokes with considerable stall force. Of all the massage guns we've tested, the Hypervolt 2 Pro has proven itself one of the few direct competitors to Therabody's high-performing triangular Theragun designs. A digital speed dial on the back of the Hypervolt allows you to cycle through 5 speeds quickly, while 5 detachable heads enable you to select the massage option that's right for you. You can also use Bluetooth to connect to the Hyperice app and take advantage of guided routines from top athletes, including automatic speed adjustments to match. Or, pair it with Apple Health or Strava to create personalized recovery routines, /. This is a high-end tool well equipped to provide deep penetrating relief to stiff, sore muscles with all the accessories and extra features you'll need to tailor that experience for each massage. And while a 3-hour battery life is sure to carry you far, the detachable battery is a particularly nice touch for those who may want to swap out for a spare, sold separately, whenever it's time to recharge. The Hyperice Hypervolt 2 Pro performed admirably during testing alongside other powerful devices, though we'd love a carrying case large enough to hold the entire kit, gun, 5 attachments, and charging cables, rather than just the small pouch it provides for stashing head tips alone. Instead, you'll find such a case available for purchase on the Hyperice website, along with a variety of other accessories, including extra rechargeable batteries. The versatile and powerful Hypervolt 2 Pro is a worthwhile option for anyone, amateur or pro, who wants a reliable hammer-shaped massage tool to work out knots and sore spots. We also recommend taking a look at the Ekrin Athletics B37 if you like the hammer-shaped design of the Hypervolt but want to save a few dollars. Number 5. Ekrin Athletics Bantam. The Ekrin Athletics Bantam is an excellent option for travelers or shoppers wanting a gentler massage tool to carry on the road. At just over £1, this is among the lightest models in our lineup and comes in a very small profile, making it easy to fit in your luggage or vehicle. The cylindrical shape is easy to handle, and it's lightweight enough that didn't get fatigued while using it, noted our lead tester. While this device doesn't offer as much amplitude at only 0.25 inches, it can go up to 3,250 percussions per minute for those wanting a stronger massage. The Theragun Mini, in comparison, is just slightly heavier than the Bantam yet boasts nearly double the amplitude. So, for those looking for an excellent travel option that can also double as a primary massager at home, the Mini may be the best bet. But keep in mind that the Mini costs a third more than this highly portable Ekrin offering and may be more powerful than some users actually need when on the road. For many, the Bantam will more than suffice. Another option, the Bob and Brad Q2 Mini, delivers relatively similar capabilities to the Ekrin Athletics Bantam but with slightly greater stall force if required. It also weighs fractionally less and sells with a travel case for about half the cost, making it another reasonable budget option when high power is not the priority.